How you doing?
How you doing?
You got that cord?
Yeah.
Yeah. How you doing, man? It's right there?
Let me get closer, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Alright, we found it. We found it. We are right here. Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Well, actually right now it's at night. It's, let's see, 9:32 at night. See that? 9:32 at night, and we have a customer call. They're actually almost like an hour away from us, but let's drive there and need some help. They need some help. So, as you can see right now, I have 45 more minute drive, 45 miles, 40-minute drive, and we're driving right now. Once we get there, we'll show what's going on, and let's help them out, get them situated. I know at these times it's hard to call some help, so we're gonna help them. All right, let's wait 40 minutes and we get there and show you what we have. Okay, so it's 10:06 and we're like 7 minutes away. We're pretty close. They're telling us to exit right here. I think they're stranded.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 178 to merge onto US 70 east toward Raleigh-Durham Airport.
Alright, Siri, thanks. So, we have to exit here. And we're pretty close. We're like 6 minutes close. So, we have to find them. I think they're stranded somewhere in the side. So
take the exit.
I gotta make sure I'm looking pretty close. Like now it's 10:07. Alright, let's go find them.
1.3 miles. Take the exit onto Holloway Street.
Let's go. Alright. Say we're just a minute close. It's gonna be somewhere here. The guy said after the lake, there's somewhere here. Let's just go find him. Where's the park? This is the park. Look at that. It's kind of dark in here, huh? Okay, we got half a mile. Gotta be somewhere here. It's already 10:13. See that one? Nope. A little bit dark.
The destination is on your left. 439 Chandler Road. Arrived.
What's that? It's right here. Oh, here you go. The gravel road. He said go to the gravel road. This one. you doing?
How you doing?
You got that cord?
Yeah.
Yeah. How you doing, man? It's right there?
Let me get closer, okay?
Okay. Yeah. All right, we found it. We found it. We are right here. Let's get it ready. Let's get it. Okay, let's start it. Hey guys, so we're here. It's a 2012, is it? Yeah. Got 2012 Honda Accord. Lucky we have an extra blade key to make, so hopefully there's no any problem. We're gonna do a lost key. Let's use I'm not using my AutoPurlieu pad right now. Let me use this launch. Sometimes I like this launch. That's connect pretty good. Let's program the key first before we cut it. Make sure we have the right remote, because sometimes it does have a wrong remote in it. Okay, yeah, it's pretty dark here. Finally made it after 1 hour. All right. Well, let's get this started. Open this. Service function. All right, let's try this again. Okay, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use this chip. Try this chip for now. Then click the keys. Lost key. Get 2. Let's put 1 for now. Okay. Okay. And then it went off. Turn this engine on. Okay. All right, that's the first part. Then we gotta do cut the key. Again, progress. You got 1. You gotta cut the key. Hold on 1 second. We're gonna cut the key. Make sure we got this right here. This bad boy right here. Hopefully we have internet. So what I did is I just programmed a blank chip right now, and I'm gonna reprogram the actual key that I'm gonna use, just to make sure it's easier for me. Doesn't really bother, as long as we get the job done. The faster we get it done, the better. It doesn't matter if you waste some of the keys, stuff like that. It's a good thing with this Xhorse right here. Very portable. Hopefully our light lasts longer. Let's try this one. Let's cut key, find bearing. I can find the Honda. 166. 166. With this thing, we're actually gonna, okay, need to put it down. You can see, cutting the key. Oh, my bad. Maybe check good angle right here. Okay, two hands not easy. One hand not easy. One more time right here. Make sure this is good. I'm gonna decode it. And I'm gonna make a test here right now before we actually make the rope, because you never know if this is gonna act up or what. So I'm gonna get my test here. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. I don't remember where. Where did I put it? Alright, there's my test key. Let's find it real quick. Somewhere here. Somewhere in the bag. There you go. So now that's decoded. Let's take it off. That's the original key. Then we're gonna make another one. Make sure it's flat and even. Then we're gonna cut it. Cut it, clean it. Got some wire brush here. And this kind of brush. Alright. So right now we're not really connected to the internet. It's just a Bluetooth. I'm glad that it's working pretty good without the internet. So we got how many percent? Still pretty quick. Everything's here. Better not lose this one. That's our little baby there, 60%. And after this, we're gonna cut one more time while testing that one. This is our actual key. We got it programmed already. Just take a little while. 36. Alright, it's 93%. Just clean this bad boy. Clean that. Remove it. Put the other side. Okay. Okay. Continue. And then once we cut this, we're gonna verify that everything is okay. And once it's okay, we're gonna cut the actual key. This is pretty much programmed already. But we're gonna add key with that. Using this chip here, add key. is dark. Nothing here. Let's save a battery real quick. There you go. Might last a little longer. Try this key. It's good. All right, test it, make sure it's right. Come on, light, help me out. All right, turns really good. So that's good. Now let's cut the actual key. We only have one key, so gotta make sure everything is right. Okay, try that one more time. Okay. I'm gonna skip this real quick and then let's come back. All right, guys, so we have the actual key. We need to program this now. What we're gonna do, let's make sure. It'll be tough. We're gonna add a key, because we already have one working. It says add a key. Then, okay, yes, key, add a key. Let's turn it on. Keys. Let's see. Add a key again. It says switch the ignition off to on. And then off again. Then we gotta put the new key. This is the new key. Turn it off. The new key. Switch it off. On again. Says the immobilizer's off. That's good. Switch it back off. And then we're gonna put back the original key, which is the one I just made. All right. Turn the ignition off. Should be registered now. Let's try it. Let's try it. All right. There you go, guys. Everything works. And let me see. Let's try this one if it works. Let me try this. Oh, we gotta program that. What we gotta do is program the remote. Everything is good. And you can hear it. Lock and unlock works. Start again. Good job, guys. I'll see you on the flip side. All right, we got him going. Look at these. Dark in here. We helped somebody today. Pretty awesome. We made money. It is pretty far, but we're ready to go. Time to go home. What time is it? Oh, what time we got here? Let's see. Oh, about an hour. Not too bad, right? Let's see how far we're gonna go home. Let's see. Time to go home. We'll be there around midnight. Not too bad. We are somewhere here. And if we try to go home, let's see. I don't even know where we at. So look at that. 55 minutes, 48 miles away. Let's go home.
Starting route to home.
So
Proceed to Lakeside Drive, then turn right.
this is like a park, and I'm glad I helped them. It's an hour away. So let me recap. I know
In a
my
quarter
video
mile,
was-
turn right onto Chandler Road.
Thank you, Siri. But let's do the recap. What I did was they already have a key, so it's a Honda 2012 Honda Accord 4-door. It was supposed to be faster than that. I was talking to
Turn
him
right
for a
onto
little while.
Chandler Road.
Then so they have the key. That's the guy. He blinked eyes on me. Means thank you. It was his son's car. He was actually so scared. So it was a 2012 Honda Accord that
At the next stop sign, turn right.
what happened was let's see. So it was I'm getting confused. I'm trying to drive. Okay, there you go. So they lost the fob, which it has a chip in it, and a chip. So they still have the blank key. So it's pretty quick. Technically, I give another new key fob. I didn't want to program. I didn't want to cut it right away, cut it and program, because I only brought one key fob for that car. So next time I should get two, but I didn't want to waste it. So what I did was I have a small chip, a super chip. I did a lost key. I did all lost key situation, and program that chip.
In 1.3 miles, turn right to merge onto US 70 West.
Program that chip into that car using his old keyblade. So that then when the chip is programmed to the car, so we technically here we have a key. Then I cut another keyblade. It's just a test key, making sure that my machine, my cutting machine, is not acting up.
In 1 mile, turn right to merge onto US 70 West.
So once I know that's working, then I cut the actual key that I'm gonna give to them. Then add a key for that, and I gave him the test key, of course, because I have no use for it. So within like less than an hour, I would say it should be like 30 minutes job. 2-hour drive, an hour here, an hour back. Made pretty good money. Well, the only risk is I don't know who they are, and it's out of nowhere. But I'm glad they're safe now, and I'm safe. I'm going back home. And see you guys. I'll be driving drive in 50 minutes. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.